Hi, this is Dave Aquino with Microquant. This is the Options Live Trading Room Trade of the Day for Friday, May 31st, 2013. The trade of the day today was within the 250 tick bar chart of Apple. You can see right here, Apple was strong at the open. It gapped up, and normally we disregard the momentum at the open because of the gap up motion, but as you can see, for the first 2 or 3 minutes the upside momentum persisted, so we actually decided to go ahead and start watching Apple as well as the other 3 stocks that we normally watch at the open. We give it a little bit of time to breathe, and you can see that Apple pulled back a little bit and made this new set of highs here. We noticed that this was continuing to build, and when we started really looking at Apple right about this level here, about 5 or 6 minutes after the open, we noticed prices pulled back again and then made new highs. What really drew our eye was the fact that the divergences were very clean. We made, this is the first set of highs, the second set of highs, and the third set of highs. When we looked at the MQ momentum histogram, we saw that this is the first set of highs, the histogram bars for the first set of highs. Here's the second set of histogram bars for the second highs area. And then for the third set of highs, our histogram bars barely reached into the green. So we were watching this as a double bearish divergence, and here where the MQ momentum indicator line actually turned down, this location right here, we actually went short right on this bar, and we continued to watch it as the indicator line continued to fall. Prices followed suit, followed along soon after. We see moderately undervalued level here, but we also note that the indicator line was still a negative slope, so we continue to hold our position. We had a second moderately undervalued level here, double checked our indicator line, it was still pointing down. The third location right here, we noticed that the indicator line was also still negatively sloped, so we continue to hold it. We did sell 1 or 2 contracts of the 10 that we were holding, and then on this bar we sold some more because we saw the histogram bar pop up a little bit. The indicator line was still negative, so that's good. So we're just trying to sell a little bit at a time, take our profits, and then we see that the indicator line finally started to flatline, and right here when they did actually turned up a little bit, we sold the rest of our positions. So what we were successful at doing is with 10 contracts, we sold it along this one bearish divergence, and we were able to net out $370 on this particular trade. Now if you look at the times from this point here, this is 9:38 to 9:44. We see that this trade took about 6.5 minutes, so it's not bad work, and if you can get it. The one other thing that I noticed later on in the day, we had another bearish divergence. Here's the first set of highs, the second set of highs. See the relative height on the indicator line and the histogram. They're divergent. When prices are going up, the momentum is actually going down. Could have gotten short right here on this particular bar. The indicator line turned down, we'd followed it all the way down, and right here when the indicator line turned up, go ahead and sell. So this is another dollar's worth of trade. Very good bearish divergent setups, and that's what we look for in our options live trading room. Do you want to learn how to trade options for consistent profits? Click here to visit us at the Options Live Trading Room. Also, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel to see more options videos. Go ahead, click it now. Again, this is Dave Aquino reminding you to keep your options open and your trades profitable.